Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Man, I'm telling you what, we are going to meet some awesome folks today that brought their overland expedition vehicles. It is going to be a great time. We get to take a couple of tours, so you won't want to miss it. Stay tuned. This is a pretty amazing truck just on itself.
She said it's going to hit a drive it out. Okay, got it.
Let's go up and check it out.
It's a big deal to her, so I just go, whatever.
Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Clean. There I am. Cabinetry is awesome.
And the body doesn't function the way it used to. We did.
Wow.
You go, whoa, time out. This never used to bother me like this.
Air conditioning. Wow. Just gorgeous.
First thing I bought was the AC
Wow.
setup, and then I replaced the seats immediately. And
What kind of seats?
I just went with some cheap.
I'm sorry, I
ones.
have so many questions.
I just went cheap.
The seats that are in it now,
Yeah.
they're just
Wow.
They're the
Lots of nice stainless. Pretty impressive. Of course, the bed is right here, and this comes down, obviously, because you can't get up into here. Gorgeous.
Betty's is in progress, so he's got his we just
Go ahead
did
and pull it
some-
back so
we got
you
the
can have
bathroom
a-
started, the bed is started, and we're gonna finish.
Say, are any of these important to you? And I go,
I know it's in the trade.
boy, this would make a good YouTube one.
Pretty amazing. Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, feel free to
Showing other people what the possibilities are, and you know what? Most of this cab is stock. I can't believe it. It's amazing. For you guys that are looking at rear view cameras and side view cameras, that is a really cool spot to put it. Of course, I have mine quite a bit higher, but this is like right at road level. That's nice, and it's not that bad. Doesn't look like it anyway to mount the thing. It's running the cable under.
save by buying this versus the A1R.
BigBay has got a really nice rig too. Had to do a little bit of maintenance on it. Had to replace the fuel purge, but got that done. He fired it up. Everything works great. Yeah, and this is another just epic rig. Ah, nice. I love the seats. I love that, and believe it or not, that roof, that insulation up there is OEM. Pretty dang cool. Wow, check that out. That is cool. This is almost like a mini LMTV or FMTV Roundup right here in the Clackamas Metal Works parking lot. It's just, I love it. I love meeting new people and seeing what they've done with their rigs. I just really, really enjoy this. And of course, there's Bill's rig, Lamasu. I got a couple things to show you on Lamasu real quick too. A couple little cool upgrades. If you've noticed or you've seen the other videos, we actually created a couple of these brackets to help with the construction of the panels, because this wanted to slump a little bit while the glue was still trying to set. So this will actually help it stay in place while the glue is drying. And if you want to, which I think it looks pretty cool, that you can just keep them on there, caulk them into place after you're done, after the glue is dried, and caulk them into place. They really make it look really nice. Just a beautiful finished look. And that brush guard is so doggone cool. Just to demonstrate how strong these are, how weak I am, I'm 260 and this didn't even move. I love it. It's like a show and tell. You know what I noticed is this might become a thing. Got a little nose art. I like that ladder. And this is probably going to be offered in the future, this nice little rig here. And it looks like Bill has relocated his glad hands. Try to keep my shadow out of the way. But that is pretty sick. This is definitely the way to pick up your Globe Trekker parts. Epic. Where are the panels, you might say? They're going to be delivered separately, drop shipped. It just worked out. It was convenient. That's all. And away they go. Woo, boy howdy. Hey, thanks so much, Frank Higdon and family, for letting me take a tour of your vehicle. It was awesome. And thanks again, BigBay. I really appreciate checking yours out too. So So there's many upgrades that Bill did to Lamasu, and those I'm sure you're going to start seeing on the Globetrekker website. You can find them at rvglobetrekker.com. It's really fun and easy to go to, and you know what? There's just all kinds of cool things happening, more and more product coming, you know, just weekly, monthly. It's really, really coming together. I also have an announcement to make. I'm going to officially become a team member of the Globetrekker team. I'm still going to provide you the best information that I possibly can. I am going to be their voice of the customer to kind of help them design things. So please comment to me, let me know what you'd like to see, let me know what you find is cool, what you find could be changes, and I'll kind of help them steer that in the direction that you would like to see it. It's been a decision that I have thought long and hard about, that I prayed about over these last several months, and every word that I've been getting back is just, this is just a good thing and a good company to be a part of. I'm very happy of how receptive they are. Their engineering is just top notch. They just really care about the community, and those are the kind of values and concerns that I also have. So I think it's going to be a really cool thing coming together like this. So if you make contact with Globetrekker, it's most likely going to be me that's going to be contacting you back, either by phone or by email. I'll be answering your questions. All right, guys, well, that's what I got for you this time. Hey, I want to also give a special thanks to Mike Carell, who stayed at the shop for 2 days, just to meet up and see what was going on with Globetrekker, and to see Frank and BigBay, and to just, you know, get some good networking in. Thanks so much, Mike. All right, guys, till next time, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.